Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're doing a detailed review of the Softaken OST to PST Converter. So the first thing you want to do is go to www.softaken.com/OST to PST Converter and navigate to the OST to PST Converter page. After navigating to the Softaken OST to PST Converter page, you see the two options on your screen. So yeah, the first option is download now if you just want to test it out. And the second one is purchase now if you're ready to get the full version with all the features unlocked. So as you can see in with the demo version, you can convert 25 files for free, which is actually pretty useful if you just want to test how the OST to PST converter works. But if you want to unlock all the features and get the full access, just click the purchase now button to see the pricing. So yeah, as you can see, the Softaken OST to PST converter offers four different types of plans: personal license, home license, business license, and then enterprise license. It all depends on your particular requirement. And if you scroll down the website a bit, you'll see all the details like the software size. It's 18.2 MB, the system requirements, how the software is delivered, and they even have a download guide, which is really helpful so you don't face any issues while setting it up. All right, let's scroll up and download the software so we can get started. All right, so right here you'll see the download now button. Just simply click on it and it'll start downloading automatically. Once it's done downloading, just open the folder and right click on the software app and choose open to launch the software. As you can see, the license agreement is really simple. You just click on agree and then hit next button. Now, just pick a location if you want to save the program somewhere specific, or you can leave it at the default. Then click Next. If you want to create a shortcut, check that option, click Next again, and finally hit the Install button to start the installation. Once the installation is complete, just click Finish. Now the setup and installation are complete, and this is the first page of the tool you'll see. Now you'll see the first option, change language. And I really like the language option. It supports over 15 languages. So no matter who you are, it's really easy to use. All right, you get two choices. If you're working with just one OST file, go with the first option. But if you've got a bunch of OST files to deal with, the second option lets you add them all in one go. So in my case, I only have one OST file, so I'm just going to choose the single file option and upload it. Mine saved in the downloads folder. You can simply click browse, head to wherever your file is stored and add it. Once your OST file is uploaded, all its data will show up on the left side of the screen. From there, you can easily browse through everything and remove anything you don't want to convert to a PST. You'll also see some options down below, like calendar, contacts, and mails that you can take a quick look at before converting. Now up here you can see the export option. This is what lets you convert your OST files into desired format you need. Now I'm going to convert my OST file into PST so I can easily open it in MS Outlook. You can pick any other format you need. It's totally up to you. Okay. So now just choose the location where you want the converted PST file to be saved. Basically wherever it's easiest for you to find. I choose desktop for storing my PST file. Alright, so once the PST is converted, you'll see it saved in the location you chose. Mine's on the desktop. From here, you can just go ahead and import that PST file into MS Outlook. To import PST files in MS Outlook, you just need to open Outlook on your system first. Alright, now click on File, then Open and Export, and then just select Import Export option. Next, choose Import from another program or file, and then click Next. Now choose PST option and Next. Finally, click Browse, find and select your PST file, press Open, and then click Next. Now last click on the Finish. All right, so as you can see here, all my data has been successfully imported into my Outlook data file. So with the use of the Softaken OST to PST converter, you can easily convert your OST files into PST format. Another thing I really like about this software is that it can convert corrupted, damaged, even inaccessible OST files. I hope this video helped you fix your OST to PST conversion issue. I definitely recommend giving this tool a try. Thanks so much for watching and don't forget to subscribe.